Hello grade 10s and welcome to another trigonometry lesson. Right now we're going to be looking at defining the trigonometric ratios on the Cartesian plane. Here we go. So the important information that you need to know is that in the Cartesian plane, sin theta is equal to y over r, cos theta is equal to x over r, and tan theta is equal to y over x. Now there's a mnemonic that people use to remember where in which quadrant which one is positive, and it goes in many ways. Some people say all students take cookies, that's what I say. Some say all students take cocaine. Yeah, it depends on the person. Okay, please forgive me. This means that the all in quadrant 1, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. In quadrant 2, only sine is positive, and by definition cosec is also positive in quadrant 1. In quadrant 2 rather, sorry. In quadrant number 3, only tangent is positive, and by extension cotangent is also positive in quadrant 3. And then in quadrant 4, only cosine is positive, and by extension secant is also positive. And then you need to remember the reciprocal trigonometric ratios. So cosec theta is r over y, sec theta is r over x, and cot theta is x over y. So sokatwa, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, and chosha kotao. Now the cho is for cosec. So cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite, secant is hypotenuse over adjacent, and cotangent is adjacent over opposite. Okay, please take that down. I modified it from siavura.com. So number 1 states A with coordinates -4 and -3 is a point on the Cartesian plane with origin B. Alpha is the angle between AB and the positive x-axis. So here's point A, x is -4, y is -3. Right? Alpha is the angle between AB, here's AB, and the positive x-axis. It says, without using a calculator, determine the value of cos alpha. So we have x and y. Remember, cos is x over r. So first we need to calculate r. So x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And this is what? The Pythagoras theorem. What is x? -4 squared plus, what is y? -3 squared, r squared. -4 squared is 16 plus -3 squared is 9, r squared. 16 plus 9 is 25, r is plus minus square root of 25, right? Square root of 25 is 5, plus or minus 5, r is 5 units, and you take the positive one because r is always greater than 0. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Then cos alpha y, no sorry, cos is x over r, so my mistake, this is x. What is x? -4 over r is 5. Then you leave it like that. I hope that is simple, and I hope that makes sense. Since there's already a drawing, we don't need to draw. 1.2, 2 tan alpha. 2 tan alpha is 2. Tan is y over x. What is y? -3. What is x? -4. Okay, we can use over 2. Okay, I hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 1.3, half cosec alpha. What is cosec? Cosec is 1 over sine, which is r over x. What is r? 5 over. What is x? Wait. Cosec 1 over sine. Oh my, why do I keep forgetting my ratios? Sine is y over r, so it's r over y. My mistake. Y is -4. So it's -5 over 8. Okay, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Forgive me for constantly making mistakes. I don't know where my mind is at. 1.4, -5 sine theta. Sine alpha. Oh my, I don't know what's wrong with me. Sine is y over r. What is y? Negative 3. R is 5. I'm getting positive 3. Yeah. This goes, negative times negative is positive. On the previous solution, y is negative 3. It's not negative 4. I don't know where my mind is at. So half negative 5 over 6. Oh my, I don't know where my mind is at. I don't know what's going on. 1.5, we have 3 cot alpha. 3 cot alpha. 3 cot is 1 over tan. Tan is y over x, so this is x over y. X is negative 4. Y is negative 3. We get 4. Okay, hope that is clear. Hope that makes sense. This cancels this. Negative 4 divided by negative 1, positive 4. Number 2 states x angle OC is equal to beta is an angle in the second quadrant where x is a point on the positive x-axis and c is the point x and negative and 12. The y coordinate is 12. And then we are told OC is 13 units. Determine without the use of a calculator the values of Roman numeral number 1, x, Roman numeral number 2, 13 cos beta, Roman numeral number 3, tan beta. So we need to make a drawing so that we can understand. So let's read again. X angle OC is equal to beta. It's an angle in the second quadrant where x is a point on the positive x-axis. So let's put x somewhere here. And C is here's O, which is the origin, right? And C is the point x, and then y is 12. Second quadrant, right? Then I want you'll use a ruler. Just want to show you how it goes. This is beta. Okay, and this is C, x 12. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. With this, we'll be able to understand things better. And then it says, determine, OC is 13 units. So OC is 13. Determine, without the use of a calculator, the values of x. So x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And this is the Pythagoras theorem. What is y? 12. R is OC. Okay. 12 squared is 144. OC is 13 squared. X squared is 13 squared is 169. 144 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 144. 169 minus 144 is 25. X is plus minus square root of 25. X is plus minus 5. X is where? Second quadrant. And the second quadrant X is negative. So X is negative 5 because it's in quadrant number 2. We have found it. Okay. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 2, 13 cos beta. 13 cos beta. Cos is x over r. X is negative 5. R is 13. This goes, negative 5. Okay. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 3, tan beta. So tan beta is y over x. What is y? 12 over x is negative 5. So this is negative 12 over 5. Okay, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Number 3 states, if tan theta is equal to 0.96 and theta is an acute angle, determine 3.1 cos theta. Okay, so tan theta is 0.96, which is 96 over 100, which is 24 over 25. Y over x. So y is 24 and x is 25. We need to determine the value of cos theta. So we need r. X squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. What is x? 25 plus 24. 625 plus 576. 1201. R is plus minus square root of 1201. So it gives us a long value. So R is square root of 1201. And the reason is R is greater than 0. So cos theta is x over r, which is, what is x? 25 over square root of 1201. Okay, again, you leave it like that. The calculator will rationalize and but you leave it like that. 1201. Okay, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 3.2 sec squared theta minus 1 sec squared theta minus 1. Sha, hypotenuse over opposite. Don't forget sec is 1 over cos. So it's r over x squared minus 1. What is r? Square root of 1201 over, what is x? 25 minus 1. Square root of 1000, this is squared, so square root of 1201 squared is 1201 over 25 squared is 625 minus 1. $576 over 625. Yeah, you leave it like that. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. I know that the last one was a bit of a challenge, but I wanted to show you that you won't always get whole number values. Okay, I hope that was clear and I hope that made sense. If we were to draw a diagram for number 3, remember it said tan theta is an acute angle, right? Acute angles are all in quadrant number 1. So it would have been like this. So x is 25, y is 24, and this is theta. That's what the diagram would have looked like. Okay. This is the second segment which I modified from the Via Africa study guide. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.